Hi, my name is Rotem Sivan. I'm a guitar player and producer. Today we're in New York City at Splice headquarters recording my new sample pack. So Splice is an online platform that allows people to get samples of music. And now what we're trying to do is basically cut the expenses of hiring a studio, musicians, and all the production and just record a bunch of songs with a lot of different options. We recorded 3 packs that are using guitar sounds, but also MIDI. So we're using the Fishman MIDI pickup. The MIDI pickup is translating the audio sounds into MIDI, into zeros and ones, and therefore we have much more control of these sounds because it doesn't need to be a guitar, it's MIDI, so it's basically, it's mapping the sound in a different sort of way, and the sound can be anything. It could be a Bulgarian choir or turtles singing happy birthday, so it can really be anything you want and can imagine. With the MIDI, I can really get another universe of sound that is enhancing what I'm doing. You can really create a huge sound wall just using your guitar, where you can hear something like but you won't just hear the guitar. You're gonna hear guitar and keyboard, which it's a very different experience. The idea for me was really collaborating with Splice, D'Angelico, and Fishman, and allowing people to get inspired by these songs and sounds and ideas. And I think these guitars, for me, are super inspiring, and the same thing with the pickup. So I think when I use these elements, I get inspired, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to write music that will basically serve as a seed for someone to be like, oh, this is kind of cool, I'm feeling this, and I'm hearing how I can use that in my music, or just get an idea.